Hey guys, Tony. Good morning. So my last video that I did on the TA of SHIBA, it was basically I basically told you guys, I'm like, it's either gonna pop from here, it's gonna pop from 17 cents and run up, or it's gonna go down, retest trend, and then go all the way back up to 25. And I still think it's gonna rally. I think it's gonna rally hard all over again. I actually think it's gonna move. I think it's actually gonna surpass 25 in the next, I don't know, sometime today. I think it's gonna happen. The reason I say that is because we are about to close a bullish hour, and they've been they've been so bullish in the moves that they've had. Every single hour close, right? And if you want access to my indicators, like my reverse MACD and everything, which is all custom, right? You can get this on my Patreon. That's the only way. That's the only way I release the settings and which indicators they are. I don't tell anybody else. I work too long to just give them out, right? But I do think that we are going to see another. I do think we're going to see another leg up. Usually, it depends on when that hour actually closes bullish. You can probably use the fibs too to run to the upside to see how much to what levels it actually ran to. But we can see that on average it actually runs around maybe anywhere between 6 and 10, like 6 and 10 cents. Not really 6 and 10 cents, but like the 0 whatever. And I just fucking hate saying that. So if I had to make like a solid conclusion, I'd probably use maybe something here like a 22 whatever, or like current price, a little bit under current price. So let's just go with here, right? Like a 22. And then we'd basically go up minimum 6. What is this? 660. So like 660, like right there, right? So I'd say the next stop is actually going to be around 29 cents or 0.00029. Or if we ran like we did the first time, we'd go up about 11, which would take us all the way to, whoa, what the heck? Which would take us all the way to roughly like 32, which is my actual TP for like 2 more days. I think for the October the 9th is when I actually set my TP for roughly 32. So I actually already had it placed, right? So 0.000032, whatever. I do think that as of right now, we are going to start that rally. And I actually think that we're gonna push extremely hard to the upside, because the stochastic is actually already overbought, and we're gonna start creating another bull trigger. Or it looks like we're gonna be closing bullish in the next roughly, I don't know, maybe by 9-10 in the morning. This might happen. I'm trying to kind of gauge to see what's going on. But the real good thing is, you didn't break trend. You actually, bounced off basically perfectly. You basically bounced off perfectly. I actually think you already had the bottom here, and you're gonna rally to the upside. But something interesting actually. Let me see this. What is the actual? Is there an actual fib that it ran to? So last fib, right? Last time you ran from here all the way to there. You hit second fib perfectly. So let's go with now. What would be the second fib? So it's like the 2.618 level, right? So 2.618 level would be 44 cents or 0.004. I'm not saying that we're gonna rally like that, but if we do end up rallying hard, and that's the next level, then I think it's pretty solid located, the place of where we might end up eventually, right? But yeah, as of right now, I still have a TP of 0.00032 by October 9th. Again, that might hit, that might not, but I do think that next leg up is going to start going, especially after, you didn't actually trade under trend, right? So you actually have a perfect bounce, and I made this back on October 5th at like noonish, and it bounced on like at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So this was my original analysis, right? It was going to actually stay here on 17, go straight to 25 after it already hit 25, or it was going to bounce down, or it was going to bounce down to trend and then rally all the way back to 25, which it basically did. I mean, it was off by like 1 cent or whatever, or like 10 cents or whatever you would call that number. But yeah, I think SHIBA's going to run to 32. sometime today. I think it's a possibility, at least. If not, my TP still stands for October 9th, for that 000032, whatever. So I'll see you guys later. She was doing extremely well. I love Fool's Insurance, man.